Seagull men's automatic watch model number 7079V is using Seagull's most popular movement ST2130. Calendar is on the 6 o'clock direction. 42 mm diameter and lug to lug is 48 mm. The dial is in Earth map pattern. Bling bling rainstorm hour markers. The rope pattern on the watch case make the watch looks impressive and elegant. Exhibition back. The inner bezel has a simple word time function. You can rotate the button on the 10 o'clock direction to control the bezel. The word time function is based on Beijing time. You can see there are numbers on other city names. There are time differences for Beijing time. For example, Bangkok -1 means Bangkok time is 1 hour later than the Beijing time. When watch dial is in Beijing time, you -1 to get Bangkok time. Sydney +2 means Sydney time is 2 hours faster than Beijing time. You +2 to watch time to get Sydney time. Then you may ask, if we just do arithmetic to get the other city time, we don't need to rotate the bezel. Yes, you are right, actually. This bezel is just for you to fix the time zone at a fixed area. For example, when your family member or your kids are living or studying in Sydney, you can rotate Sydney to 12 o'clock direction. And when you want to know Sydney time, you only need to see 12 o'clock position to find the time differences. If you are living in New York and the watch time is New York time, how can we find other city time according to the watch? However, you can also find two cities time difference according to the information on the bezel. Like Denver and New York. Denver is 2 hours late than New York time. You can -2 from the watch instant time to get Denver's time. This function is very simple, more like a decoration. The watch itself design is exquisite and special. Do you like it?